Welcome to the channel. We are going to solve this question on circle geometry. Now let's note that WXY is an isosceles triangle. Look at WXY is an isosceles triangle. WX is equal to WY. Now angle XZY is equals to angle XWY. Alternate angles are equal. So which means that XWY will be 64 because XZY is 64. So alternate angles are equal. Now let us bring out the triangle XYW, that is XWY. Let's bring out the isosceles triangle. XWY is an isosceles triangle. We are given angles. We have gotten angle 64. Don't forget XWY. We have gotten 64. Now angle X and angle Y will be equal. Why? Because base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So since line XW is equals to line WY according to the question, then angle X is equals to angle Y. Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if angle X is X, then angle Y also will be X. Now using sum of angles in a triangle, X plus 64 is equals to 180. So let's add them together. That will give us 2x plus 64 equals to 180. Collect the like times. That will give us 2x equals to 180 minus 64. And that will be 116. Divide both sides by x. Divide both sides by 2. Then x will be equals to 58. So x is 58. So don't forget our x is also the angle we are looking for, angle WYX. That's 58. Then if you look at angle WXY is 58 also, which means we can get angle YXZ from it by subtracting 38 from 58.